How's the rain?
Nice. Normally we only have these as photo shoot props, but this one is actually raining.
And you're wearing a summer dress.
Yes. We are planning to try out the scooter again today.
Mm-hmm.
You see how that's gonna turn out.
Mm-hmm.
And the scooter's handle is wet. So yeah.
That's unchanged
Yesterday was
scooter.
bright and sunny.
Yes.
But the day that we decided to do a photo shoot like this,
Mm-hmm.
we could have done a photo shoot inside if it rained yesterday.
Oh yeah.
But today we
Oh.
really today we really wanted to do a photo shoot out.
What can you see outside?
I see.
Our neighbors.
Yeah, and lots of a foggy view of the neighbors,
Mm.
and lots of rain droplets. It's a tiny little bird.
Oh, where is he?
Yeah, it's perched down under the glass.
Maybe she saw you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's thunder. Oh,
Well,
come on.
okay. Now that is sometimes scary.
Yes. Oops. Careful. Leave it open here inside.
Okay, so it can dry off.
Yes. So, I'm gonna ask you something now.
Yeah.
So, how is it feeling outside with this?
Nice. I haven't went out using your
Come
umbrella
here.
in a while. We'll definitely have
Here.
to clean up the dirt stains in here.
Mm.
It's really pretty. The rain is really pretty. It's just it's hard to photo shoot since most of the time we really rely on the sun because we rely on the golden hour.
Yes. Mommy loves golden hour, right?
You absolutely love it. That's why every time we go out, you try to go to that exact place where the golden hour is bright and shimmering. The tires.
Yes. We haven't finished that one yet. See? That yellow?
You can tell it's kind of not as bright as the other ones. Like the silver is shiny, the blue is shiny, while the yellow is still kind of black. That black one doesn't look finished or even started yet.
Yeah. We haven't started it yet. Where's that? There's a silver one.
See really far.
Mm.
Humans can see really far.
So, do you like the rain or sun?
I like both. The rain makes it all cool and nice and it's pretty to look at. And it normally makes these calming sounds while the sun is nice. It's like bright and nice. It's also really nice, so rainy sun.
So, that's it for today.
Yep, that's it for today.
Say bye-bye to everyone now.
Bye-bye, everyone. Stay safe.
And subscribe to my...
And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sophie Unicorn.
Yes. Galing.
Mhm.
Okay, bye.
Bye.